Welcome everyone. So the first strategy is what everybody needs to do, beginning, intermediate, advanced investors, and that's called bird dogging. And what is bird dogging? Bird dogging, I think it came from birds who hunted and stuff. So basically, the bird dog goes around different neighborhoods, places, walk it down the street. You can even bring your dog with you. That might get some attention when you get to know more about the properties in the area and the neighborhood. But you're just walking around the neighborhood looking for distressed properties. And what are distressed properties? They're basically properties with overgrown grass, maybe leaking roof or some shingles missing. There might be also some peeling paint, a lot of things in the garage or outside the house, actually in the yard, as well as probably just generally unkept. It probably needs some work.